Friday, February 6, 2026. Dedication of the Cathedral Church of Goa. Focus. Do not make my Father's house a house of trade. The Gospel reveals a rare moment of Christ's anger. His righteous wrath is not about appearances or rules. It's about protecting sacred space so that the people might truly encounter God. The temple was built as a place of prayer, but it had become sullied with noise, distractions, and trade. This makes us ask, what do our churches mean to us? Beyond their architecture and history, these are places where heaven and earth meet. To step inside a church is to enter the Father's house, where the Eucharist reminds us of God's abiding presence. When we come with quiet hearts and open spirits, we discover peace and reverence that worldly spaces cannot give. Closer to home, Goa's cathedral has stood for over 4 centuries as a witness of faith, its walls resounding with countless prayers, sacramental rites, and celebrations of the Eucharist. Stone and mortar may endure for generations, but what truly gives life to a church is the people who gather in faith. Each time we enter, we are reminded that we too are living stones, being built into a spiritual dwelling for God. The cathedral's endurance inspires us to make our lives living temples of the Holy Spirit, places where others may glimpse God's peace and love. Fruit. Each time I enter a church, I will pause and ask God to shape my heart into His holy dwelling place.